Here's a breakdown of how I turned a building into a piece of corn. To start, I filmed a shot where I pretended to peel a layer from the building. Then I taped a piece of corn to a stand and peeled it back. Lastly, I got a shot where I peeled the corn again, but this time kept the peel clean and sharp. In the edit, I started by lining up the timing of the corn peeling and when I pretended to peel the building. Next, I went frame by frame masking out the piece of corn as it tore open. I used another mask on top of that I then animated downwards to reveal this layer as it was peeled. I cut out the buildings around the corn as well as my hand and placed this layer to the top, making the corn look like it was sitting in the background. Now, to make the actual building look like it was being peeled, I cut it out and simply scaled its position down to make it look like it was getting squished. I then took our last clip where I peeled out the corn and masked out just the skin. I threw this on top of the shot in line with the building and using the puppet pin tool animated it stretch as I pulled on it. Lastly, I brightened up the sky, threw on a grade, and we have this. Guys, I finally found out why the gherkin's such a weirdly shaped building. It's because it's not a building at all. Look, check this out. It's just a piece of corn. See?